Hey, sixth grade. Welcome to Thursday's class for language arts. I am not live today. I have a meeting. However, if you need any of my help, please let me know. I will be available a little bit during email and hangouts in the morning. Maybe in the afternoon I'll be a little bit more available for you for help if you need anything. And so just make sure that you stay on task when you're in class. The GoGuardian will tell me if you are or not. So your instructions for today are to come into Google Classroom. You're going to click on classwork and scroll right on down to the November 2020 slides. Of course, today is Thursday, November 19th. So you're going to go right to this slide and this should have everything that you need. Today your specialists are art, is art. So just make sure that you're on top of that. The video that you're watching right now is located right here, and today in class you're going to be working on chapters 13 and 14 of Malala. I have them recorded. The links are right here. You can click on. Then when you're done, double check that Malala Part 2 sheet is done and turned in. As of this moment of recording, let's see how many I have. I've graded 22 and one just got turned in. So I'm hoping that this number right here is 0 by the time I log in next. So double check that that's done. You should of course be working on Malala Part 3. The other thing is this race paragraph, November 16th, is also due on Friday. So today is your last day of working on that. So that is really what your class time should be spent on after the videos. If you are done with those things, you can work on Malala Worksheet Part 3. And if you're all done with, or you're done as far as you can get on that one, you can work on Quill. Quill should only be worked on if you are done with these things and you are done with all missing work. After your period of time working on these things, you can see right here is the time that you are expected to be silent reading. Again, if you have any questions, please let me know, and I will be back and live with you tomorrow. Have a great day, and let me know through Hangouts or email if I can help you at all. Stay on task. I will know. GoGuardian is helpful. Okay, have a good day.